Now let's talk about halal. Before decades, uh, people were aware and they were conscious about zabiha only. Then, alhamdulillah, today people are conscious about cosmetics as well. Then, alhamdulillah, we are heading towards, and in Pakistan and in other countries as well, the medicine sector, the pharma companies, they should be certified as halal. The product they are producing should be halal. And still, there is a lot of work to do in the pharmaceutical sector. But what about swimwears? It should be Islamic as well. And these are some of the advertisements I am going through. This is an article I came across, halal swimming pool, and I was astonished how a swimming pool can be halal. And it was in Austria. Now you can imagine it. It's not in Bangladesh or not in Pakistan. It was in Austria, and the swimming pool is halal. So I'm just trying to explain the scope of halal economy and what are the potential sectors that come inside it. Yes, the shoes can also be halal, and it can be haram as well. It can be from the skin of pork, aren't they? So it's something that Muslim consumers should be conscious of. Yes, in Malaysia and other countries, halal hotels. And when I was in Malaysia, alhamdulillah, they are working on these things, halal tourism as well. So any business organization, they have to become Islamic. They have to use the level of halal. And if they are not, they may be in the coming future will lose a greater part of the market, because the consumers are going to be Muslims, and inshallah they will be going to conscious Muslims, so they will not buy anything unless it is labeled as halal, and they will not use any hotel unless it is labeled as halal. They will not buy a shoe unless it is labeled as halal. So it's not only eating, it's not only the food items and the drinking items that needs to be halal. The businesses, what they are producing should be halal. So these are the places where the label of halal is being used. But this is a problem as well, and this can be a problem. And there are some organizations who are using the label of halal wrongly and mistakenly, and they are using the word of halal on something which is not halal. So it's not only matter of using the word, it is the matter of authenticating that label. So for example, if a person is not if an organization is not ISO certified and it is using the label of ISO, then it's a crime. Similarly, if any organization is using the word halal and it's not practically halal, then it should be a crime. And there should be some organizations on the top to check whether this procedure is going according to the rules of Islam or not.
Islamic finance learning made simple and memorable.